Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Talksy channel. I'm Emma, and today we have another fun English conversation for you.
And I'm John. Hey guys, it's good to see you again. If you're new here, this channel helps you learn real English, the kind people actually use every day.
That's right. We don't just teach grammar or rules, we help you sound natural.
Yeah, so today's topic is something everyone needs when learning English: how to meet someone for the first time.
Exactly. How to say hello, introduce yourself, and have small talk without feeling awkward.
Oh, I love that. Because honestly, meeting someone new can be a little scary. You don't know what to say or how to keep the conversation going.
Yeah, I've been there. Sometimes you just say hi and then silence.
Nice weather, huh?
Yes, that's exactly what happens. So today, we'll show you a real example of how people talk when they meet for the first time, in simple English.
And we'll also explain a few small talk tips, like what's okay to ask and what to avoid when you're just meeting someone.
Perfect. So, let's start our example. Imagine John and I are meeting for the first time at a park.
Hey, excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no. You can sit here.
Thanks. It's such a nice day today, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. The weather's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, I love days like this. I'm John, by the way.
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Are you from around here?
Yeah, I live just a few blocks away. What about you?
I live nearby, too. I usually come here to read or just relax.
That's nice. I come here for a morning walk almost every day. It helps me clear my head.
Oh, same. Sometimes I just sit and watch people. It's kind of peaceful.
Yeah, people watching. That's a real thing.
Totally.
So, Emma, what do you do?
I'm a nurse. I work at the city hospital. What about you?
Oh, that's awesome. I'm a teacher. I teach English to beginners, actually.
Really? That's so funny. We're literally doing a conversation about English right now.
Yeah, talk about coincidence.
That's so cool, though. I really admire teachers. It takes a lot of patience to help people learn a language.
Thanks. But nurses are amazing too. You guys have such a tough job. Long hours, lots of stress.
Yeah, it can be hard sometimes, but I really love helping people.
That's great. You know, I think when people meet for the first time, asking about someone's job is actually a nice, safe question.
True. It's easy, friendly, and it helps you know what the other person does. But you have to be careful not to ask too personal questions too soon.
Exactly. Like, don't start with, how much money do you make?
Oh no, that's a big no-no. Never ask that when you first meet someone.
Yeah, maybe save that question for never.
Yeah, good idea.
So, what do you like to do in your free time, Emma?
I love reading, walking, and sometimes cooking. I'm not great at it, but I try.
Oh, same here. I cook sometimes, but mostly simple stuff. Pasta, eggs, sandwiches.
Yeah, that's me too. I once tried to bake a cake and it came out like a rock.
A rock cake. That's a new recipe.
Yeah, maybe I'll open a bakery called The Rock Cafe.
Sounds like a hit. But see, this kind of small talk, hobbies, favorite food, things like that, is perfect when you're meeting someone new.
Exactly. It helps people relax and find common interests. And if you both like the same things, the conversation just flows naturally.
Yeah. You can also talk about the place you're in, like, oh, this park is nice, or that coffee shop has great drinks.
Right. Or talk about the weather. That's like the universal small talk topic.
Yes, the weather. Everyone's favorite safe topic.
But sometimes small talk gets awkward, like when there's a long silence, and both people just smile nervously.
Yeah, that's the worst. You start checking your phone just to escape.
Or you say something random like, so, do you like pizza?
Exactly. But honestly, that's okay. Everyone feels awkward sometimes.
Totally. It's normal. The trick is, Keep it light and positive. Don't talk about sad or heavy stuff too soon.
Yeah, like don't start talking about politics or personal problems right away.
Right. Save that for later, when you actually know the person.
Okay, let's say we've been talking for a few minutes, and now one person needs to leave. How do we end the conversation politely?
Good question. You can say something like, "It was nice talking to you," or "I really enjoyed our chat."
Yeah, or I should get going, but it was great meeting you.
Perfect. And maybe, if you want to stay in touch, you can say, "Maybe we can grab coffee sometime."
Yeah, that's a friendly way to continue the connection.
Or if you're not sure, you can just smile and say, "Hope to see you around."
That's a nice one. It sounds friendly, but not too strong.
Well, John, it was really nice talking to you.
Same here, Emma. I enjoyed chatting with you.
Maybe I'll see you here again sometime.
Yeah, hope so. Have a great day.
You too. So, that's how you can meet someone for the first time in English.
Yeah, and remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. The most important thing is to be friendly and confident.
Right. Just smile, listen, and ask simple questions. You don't need big vocabulary words. Just be natural.
Exactly. Like, instead of saying, "Greetings, how do you do?" you can just say, "Hey, how's it going?"
Yes, don't sound like a robot. Sound like you.
And don't worry about small mistakes. People care more about your attitude than your grammar.
That's true. And who knows? Maybe that small talk could start a great friendship.
Or even love.
Okay, John, calm down.
Just saying. Anything's possible when you talk to someone new.
All right, friends, that's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And comment below. Tell us about a time you met someone for the first time. What did you say? Were you nervous? We'd love to read your stories.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time on Mr. Talksy channel.